The Predictive Forward Collision Warning System can help alert the driver when there is a sudden braking of a second vehicle traveling in front of the vehicle directly ahead in the same lane. The system uses a sensor located behind the lower grille of the front bumper. If there is a potential risk of a forward collision, the system warns the driver by blinking the vehicle ahead detection indicator and sounding an audible alert. The system operates at speeds above approximately 5 km per hour. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Press the menu button on the control panel. Touch the driver assistance key. Now, touch the emergency assist key. Then, emergency braking to toggle the system on or off. If the radar sensor picks up interference from another radar source, making it impossible to detect a vehicle ahead, the forward emergency braking and predictive forward collision warning systems will automatically turn off, and this warning light will illuminate. The PFCW system is integrated into the forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection system. There is not a separate selection in the touchscreen display for the PFCW system. When the FEB with pedestrian detection is turned off, PFCW system is also turned off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.